everyone, today I'll be sharing with you totally different sabji. It's called chickpeas with spinach. So let's get started. For that we need some oil. Add jeera. When jeera turns brown, we are going to add some onion. Not too much, okay? 2 to 3 tablespoons of red onion. And then we'll add some tomato. I'm using half over here and it's a frozen one, okay? If you have fresh one, feel free to use it. Fresh one is better than frozen, obviously, but I happen to have the frozen one, so I'm using that. Add some salt, ginger, garlic, chili paste. Now we are going to stir and make sure everything is combined. And then we will add our ghati masala if you have it. If you don't have it, then add pav bhaji masala, okay? And then take out some sour cream. I am supposed to be adding 1 tablespoon of sour cream, but I only had half tablespoon left. So if you have 1 tablespoon, please add it. If not, then half is fine. And if you don't have that, then you can also use some cream and some yogurt, okay? Make sure it's 1 tablespoon. And after you stir that, we are going to add chole. And here you can see I'm taking out maximum amount of sour cream from the container. Now adding some black pepper, amchur powder and pav bhaji masala. Stir it really well. And then I thought maybe this sabji can have some green, so at the end I added some spinach. And I cooked it for 1 to 2 minutes, not more than that. And sprinkle it with some sesame seed and some coriander. And then I realized the water is less, so I have added 1/4 tablespoon of 1/4 cup of water at the end, and then it turned out to be perfect. My family really like this sabji. It's totally different than chole that you get it from the store. This is home style sabji, so do try out and let me know how it comes out. Thanks for watching. Bye.